People who have only fans, what is stopping you from upgrading to an air conditioner? We're about to move. Our central unit has been on the fritz since we moved in here, 6 years ago. My brother-in-law probably comes out 2 to 3 times a year to charge it up, and we decided not to have him out after this year's first warm front. We signed a contract about a month and a half ago on a house that comes with a much newer AC unit already installed, put in 3 years ago. It was still kind of cool down here and we decided no matter how hot it got, since we were moving anyway, we could fight through it. I can deal with hot and dry, but this hot and humid we have right now is pretty hard. We're in South/Central Texas. Only 4 more days though.